Welcome back to Scube Wealth Grid, where we teach you how to think, invest, and protect your money like the top 1%. In our last video, we talked about the importance of currency diversification. Today, we're taking it one level higher. We're breaking down how the wealthiest individuals on the planet actually protect and grow their wealth through dual residencies, global banking, and offshore asset structures. Let's start with this truth. Wealthy people don't play the same game as everyone else. While most are busy budgeting their paychecks, the elite are building international safety nets. Why? Because true financial security isn't local, it's global. Governments can change policies overnight, inflation can erode savings, banks can freeze assets, and currencies can collapse. The rich know this, which is why they never put all their eggs in one country's basket. First, let's talk about dual residency and second passports. These aren't just for the ultra-rich anymore. Countries like Portugal, Dubai, Panama, and even certain Caribbean nations offer residency or citizenship through investment or digital nomad programs. This gives you access to more stable economies, tax-friendly environments, and most importantly, a plan B. If your home country faces a financial crisis, political unrest, or capital controls, having legal access to another country could save your wealth and your freedom. Second, the 1% use global banking infrastructure to their advantage. While most people rely on a single domestic bank, wealthy individuals use private international banks in countries like Switzerland, Singapore, the UAE, and even Mauritius. These banks offer stronger privacy laws, better protection from local economic collapse, and access to foreign currency accounts and international investment vehicles. You don't need millions to start. Some global fintech platforms now offer access to multi-currency accounts with very low minimums. Third, and perhaps most controversial, offshore structures. While offshore accounts have a shady reputation in movies, in reality, they're completely legal when used properly. Think of them as tools to preserve wealth, not hide it. Trusts, LLCs, and offshore investment accounts in countries like the Cayman Islands, BVI, or Isle of Man allow wealthy individuals to legally reduce taxes, protect assets from litigation, and plan inheritance more efficiently. But here's the best part. You don't have to be rich to get started. You can begin by opening a Wise or Revolut multi-currency account. Look into global ETFs, start researching dual residency options, and explore fractional international real estate. The tools that used to be locked away in elite boardrooms are now accessible through your smartphone. And if this video gave you a new perspective, subscribe to Scube Wealth Grid.